It's my birthday. I'm 30. This is hair bleach. It's from Walmart, I think. This is the color that I want, but this is the color that I have. I'm gonna bleach my hair. Don't worry. I'm prepared for failure. If this doesn't work, we're gonna have a bob. It's fine. It's hair. It grows back. You know, whatever. I have done this before. My success rate is not very good. I'm a little bit embarrassed to admit what it is, but you know what? We don't need to talk about it. It's in the past. We're gonna move on. We're gonna bleach our hair. 'Cause nobody's here to say no. I don't have any makeup on right now. I did manage to brush my teeth and brush my hair today though, so you're welcome. But yeah, I'm not gonna put any makeup on, so if that bothers you, you're not gonna like this video. So there's one thing that we're doing differently. I'm not going to be following the instructions. I'm not even going to read them. I'm just kidding, I'm probably gonna read them because I don't know what volume the developer is. And that's important, we need to know that. Because what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a bleach bath. And that's because I only want to go like one level lighter, and then this will hopefully, do you think, my dreaming, be honest with me. You know, either way, I've been looking at the chart on the back, and I feel like this is like basically what I have now, and like it would still work, but like I just want it to be a little bit lighter, so a bleach bath, or there's a bunch of other words for a soap cap or something ridiculous, I don't know. I don't know all these hip new terms. It's good if you have like damaged hair, if you just want to strip hair color, like if your hair was already all bleached blonde under whatever, and then you like put a brown box dye on, a bleach bath is a great option for you because it will just strip that first layer of hair dye. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm nervous. Bleach does this to a person. I don't know if you're aware, but bleach makes you nervous because it can burn your skin. Yay. So the bleach bath is more gentle, it acts faster, but it doesn't work as well. And I'm also going to be doing it on damp hair, so it's easier to apply. The way you put it on is basically like you're shampooing your hair, although you do start at the ends and then slowly work your way up. And I'm going to be doing it upside down because I find that makes it easier, because otherwise, if you're just going at the ends and your head's just like the normal way, like you'll get to about here, and then you're already at the root area for the base of your neck and stuff like that. So if we go upside down, which I can't really show you from this angle, it's better, you'll see. I'm not going to talk while I do it because I need all of my concentration, but yeah, I'm just going to explain what I'm doing, so it's really, really easy. I'm going to add some shampoo to the bleach. Basically, I'm just going to mix up the bleach according to the directions. See, I lied to you, I am going to read the directions. And then I'm just going to add in the same amount of shampoo. Really, that's it. And then you wet your hair in cold or like lukewarm water, not hot, because hot water is not really good for your hair and skin. I know, it sucks. And then we apply the bleach. Yes. And depending on the developer in the bleach, whatever it is, it says like 10 vol, 20 vol, 30 vol, whatever that thing is. If it's 20 vol, we cannot go longer than 30 minutes with the bleach on our head before we wash it out. Did I say that right? If it's 20 vol, that's the 30 minutes maximum. If it's 30 vol, however, the maximum we can go is about 10 minutes. So, hope it's 20 vol. I have a feeling it's not. I have a feeling it's 30 vol, because it's like, it says like it can go up to 6 levels lighter, which makes me think that they're using 30. So we gotta move fast, which is another reason why I won't be talking, but I do not actually know what volume this developer is, so let's find out. Only one way to find out, and sometimes they don't even tell you, which is fun. Okie doke. It does not want to tell me. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's look up the hair dye. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, we're just going to put the bleach on our head, no fear, and then we're gonna time it in the first 5 minutes and see how fast it's lifting, and if it's lifting super fast, then I guess it's 30 volt. Fuck it, dude. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna turn on this light now and the fan's gonna be on and it's gonna be really annoying, so like, wish me luck, yay. Oh wait, this is the before. I'm actually kind of busy from that. Okay. Wow, so bad. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm working with. Wish me luck. See, it's all... I wonder if there's just like a big ugly patch missing in the back that I just didn't know about. Yeah, that's what we're working with. Legitimately thought I was going to die at one point during that. I thought that I had accidentally mixed together some kind of poisonous gas, like by mixing the shampoo and bleach. I really thought I was done. But it's okay, I just had to open a window. Open a window before you start, because it's really hard to scramble and do that when you're halfway through. So it's definitely lightened a full level. I do feel like I could have left it on longer, but I just didn't want to risk it because I don't know what kind of volume the developer was, and if it was 30 vol, it did say the maximum was 10 minutes, which I left it on for. It would have been a bit longer than 10 minutes actually, because it was like, took me a while to like get it on my head and everything, so yeah, that went better than expected, other than overwhelming myself with fumes. That was quite scary. So it's definitely lighter. Of course, you can't really tell because it's wet, so once it dries, I'll be back and you can see it like fully. We can see it we can see blah, blah, blah. We can see how much is lightened, and then we can move on to the box dye, the final form. And yeah, I still think we're on the dark end of this. Whatever, we tried, right? The thing about bleach baths is that you can just do this every few months or whatever, and it just lightens your hair. Oh, don't let the bleach dry out. That's basically the only thing that's important. Don't let the bleach dry out when it's on your hair or it won't work. Yeah. Okay, my hair is dry. It's a little bit frizzy. definitely lighter. This came off, but I think it was gonna come off anyway. So now all I have to do is put on like the orange dye. Let me see. This is called Florence. Oh, voice crack. Copper blonde. So I don't think it's gonna lighten at all, but we'll see. Sometimes these lighten up a little bit. It actually kind of looks like it might lighten. Or not. We'll see. I'm pretty happy that I decided to go with the bleach bath. It was so much easier than it would have been to, you know, like apply the bleach to dry hair with the little brush and section it and everything. Like, that makes me panic, and that's also like pretty bad for your hair. And my hair's, you know, not great. It's pretty frizzy all the time, so this was a much safer option. It's definitely lighter at the top, but not in like a hot root kind of way, which I'm really happy about. Because you can see like my natural roots were about to there. And yeah, it kind of fades in. This is because a while ago, like last year, just over a year ago, I put black box dye at the end and like faded it up, so that's why it's darker down there. Also because this was like colder than the rest. It's nearly my bedtime. You can see the sun's coming up. That means it's time for me to go to bed. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. And then I think maybe in a month or a few months actually, we'll see how it feels. It'll be time to bleach it again the same way, and then I'll try to get to my ultimate hair goal color of strawberry blonde, like Nicole Kidman. Yeah, this is boring, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way and then I'll be back. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to strip one layer of hair dye off, or lighten one level, or kind of clean up a patchy job, then try a bleach bath. It's much gentler on your hair and it takes less time and less skill. So that's important, isn't it? But yeah, thank you so much for clicking on me today. There are so many things here on YouTube that you could have clicked on, but you chose me and that makes me super happy, and I will see you really soon. Bye!